Today we are doing 532 K-diff pairs in an array. So essentially we find pairs with absolute difference equal to K, and they need to be unique, so we cannot count. For example, here we have K2, we cannot count 3 1 and 3 1 here, but we can count 3 1 and 1 3 because these are the pairs. So well, what I'm thinking is that okay, for each number we say, okay, for 4, have we seen 2 or 6 because of the absolute value, right? And if we have seen 2, right, then we, in some map of maps, we save, in map corresponding to 4, we set 2 to true, right? And then we do same for 6, and that's it. Now what will be the size of this? I mean, nested hash maps is never a good idea, but for, each letter can have at most 2 pairs. So I guess it sounds disgusting, but it's okay. Okay, let's do like scene, right? And then we need like pair dict lambda x dict int, okay, and then okay, for num in nums, okay, so if scene num minus k for num2 in num minus k num plus k, so if seen num2, if not seen num2, then we continue to other numbers. So if we have seen it, then we want to do pair of num2 is 1, so if not pair num2 ans plus equals 1, ans is 0, return answer, wrong answer on everything. That's great. Oh, I'm not updating scene. Okay, scene, still wrong answer. Interesting. Paint num2 scene that's to outer function. Error. Where? What are we doing? If pair not, no, num not in pair or num2 not in pair, num. Ooh, that sucks. Yeah, there should be no positional argument, and therefore this should work. So if pair num2, okay, wrong answer again. What the hell? So we got 1 4, 2 nothing, nothing, nothing. needs two pairs, 9 with nothing, 2 with nothing, 0, 3, 3, 0, and 1, 4. They are ordered. Oh. Okay. Min, max, minimum. Min, max. I mean, that's a scam, but okay. Whatever. Everyone gets this image. What the hell? Why is this whole thing here? Anyways, okay, let's write solutions. So okay, so for each letter we need to check if for each x we need to check if both x minus k and x plus k if something exists, then we update the answer if we have the pair yz where y mean y is equal to this, y is equal to that, xy. Let's go to AB where A mean xy and B max xy. Since we do